Ahuma Okansi Bosco, aka Daddy Bosco, aka Daddy Boom, aka Buffalo, aka Rasta, aka Change. Yo, Rasta Wagwan. And Bosco want me to play a nice song for Honorable Emmanuel Ayarigated, former presiding member of Shai Osudoku District, from the daughter Lako Ayarigated, wishing him a happy birthday. So once again, a happy birthday going out to your Honorable Emmanuel Ayarigated, former presiding member of Shai Osudoku District. Every 2 weeks behind the bro. Nanyame Adom Yeshia ewo pork office. Ewo 18 junction. Oh, on the Sprinters Road. Come to 18 junction. Pacho enyo Friday we the following. You know what I'm saying? Now bana be hwe kwame obo ade anim ni pork wa. Na no pork hwe pork kakraka bi akwame atamasi tizo waso a. Kwame ede prako de ya ese wa. Akwa bi se Nyankopon tu akwa bi dam na kwhye prako. As my wunum de okeka. Ewe na baka bi aja prako yo. Badano wo de na announce wa na ni tisu chen na ase de na. Da bi na ase de ni tisu. Na ase de no so. Na ase de abino. Ona ha on de na ya abino. Akoko. Ene prako ko ase wa pono. Oh ya enti next week Friday. Enya Friday we have. We have prako. Next one never. You be share pork office. Ewo 18 junction. On say baby ayi wo yi ifo eduani KFC hona o track akaya pork office hona eti hona ebehia eti patro mo share date no so Friday the 13th of July 2018 ye ba pork office ewo community 18 junction on the Sprinters Road. We know a bi-weekly affair, what I say. Powered by the Ofie Kwanso. Yeah, Baba say, oh, yeah. Proko, but Proko Suniso. It's your bad day. It's your bunny and the myself, and I say, I'm for J. My man, come your body in the building. Oh, people switch the movie. Not DJs, no Papa Bills. DJ Obeti, DJ Blaze, DJ Awana, DJ Willie. Charlie, all in session, you know what I'm saying? A bad then, oh, cost one out with you a few questions. Yabema, Aquania Kakama man for answer some few questions. Be near the day. What bit me questions not correctly and answers not correctly, no. Oh, no, bet me in ya coupon be a bit media more, I don't know. Exciting prices near the general pure more. I don't know if you're going to go poke office. Oh, a special treat. Oh, we knew already, you know, so. Oh, come on. Oh, banana be pure. Oh, a special treat. I just said, it's a brutal. We are near the freedom most once watch out twice so I go see and do the show. I do 106.3. Yeah, talk. Who's that pork party? Pork party. And then Michelle could be doing. I'm so why am I saying? It's a pork party. Also a party. It's a pork party. Yeah, they wish ya. The motion so 13 July. Yeah, but then the pork office. Our Sprinters. Channel so. We make Johnny. We are say. When I said about Konamo, you know, there be 12 pepper. 12 pepper. Now you have straight. One Maria and one first batch. Because last first batch now serving. First. I'm serving any service. Somebody just serve you with the yes. Open send me serve a branch because me service in a heavy. Who's all this? Because the whole table. There's a market be at the back of the first. Oh, my dick can say one more. I'm about to come my punch and cry. I'm the open if I try to be there, I get just sports trust them. But in the meantime, my reminder say MTN share offer no. Egusujiamu den. Nyame Adom on the 31st of July. Na be kwa wiye. Etu nya nto wo de ama ho ye ha. Obetimi ato ye MTN Ghana shares no at 75 Ghana's pesos per share. Now shares no obeton so as I say o turn in multiples of 10 with a minimum purchase of 7 cedis 50 pesos. Obetimi dial *170# now select option 7 to buy through MTN Momo. And you can still dial *533# to access the prospectus. And I'll be calling MTNGhanaShares.com for further details. MTN everywhere you go. Na koba se o pizza nso adia. E patcho my papa's pizza anya of first choice because kromu ade obi agye atum se ba no pizza dia e papa's pizza and e de. And you two feel now can na to so kra utimi friend near their bro. Or East Legon an important one phrase 0248 820 535 or 020 636 8703. Sprinters for bit me a phrase 050 921 1720 and a 050 92 Debbie and for WBM 050 291 1721. Also branch no so bit me a phrase 0266 356 498 and a 0266 356 520 and our circle branch no so 056 002 7195 now 056 002 7194. Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. Good day. Now call baby walk on. Especially more US now and call for ya almost yo dialing number ways I call to listen no. If I'm chobe bre sadie no enya depa itino munyai copyright and acrophobia no. Na infringement on yen copyright nyama ye what I say on our content yes and person can itino so be catch yourself free number be US or now betimi ati Adom from live and patch men yes ade no or how be aba kire wa wasem opeso tie live a o de okọ adomonline.com homepage wona obehu multimedia radio stations ni na ho it is station kuna opeso tie no just click on the banner of that radio station straight obetimi ati 24/7 on the go baby obetimi so download Adom online app no on your mobile phone tie on the go baby on bia no na wodwagu mu a na obetimi a download my Joy online app no so now person need dinkitan so email no info@myjoyonline.com bibia obia no e betimi eno aka ho asem na che say bibia so I fine come oh right ebrana so say dey Ayarigated sports etwaso na wa wani tua say ansa na no say brapani timi kasa na eja okasa wi pa ya bie kwam na ensem awodo ni na nso no yetimi ahwi ni na ede aguo mako jopani kasa mienko.
Well, please Ayarigated sports a perfect program, perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. Ayarigated sports a papa. So listen to Ayarigated stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Good. Eti wabo modern we ni say amaye no. Na yama ye nuaba sisitwum so atoa so e de amaye. Na ono so asre kakra.
Order for me din di sisitwum. Na de bia meti Ayarigated sports. There's no day minti Ayarigated because meti manage na me stressa.
Serene a guy on the aze. Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too, so far. Kwame akwaba.
Ni amejo so.
Na boko there.
Boko na say dey go media ya fa pesco back Kwame Obade.
Oh, say ade esia.
I am for di mama.
Sa 1 point nom there yi.
1 point.
Was em ya o. Em ya pa.
You see, na ka come na say the ya kan we say 1 point anya pe.
There be no 1 year and 1 point. But honestly, I wanted Was to win.
Why?
I wanted Was to win
because a day student.
Not that. The least expected side to have gotten to that finals. Level. Yeah. And she said they had Nico A and Pukrano. I don't know if you listen to the news at midday now. Oh, chala this go for you. And yeah, that just now was what you did at the end.
Maybe I'm surprised.
Oh, yeah. So I really wanted them to win. pa boys na there pa because pictures are called finals EBR fine
ya GP crank as
na make one to super na this goes
on the best year finals
on the finals
we go 4 times
wow every time more than 4 7
as what turn in the slots na move
it here how there na me show kra ted no munya there me the pass Ted de and Ukraine fata disco and they know that Ted de
disco for beja o
omu dwa me akosi de ya
picture bia me we ma ko fa zebra na me so what zebra na me disco for omo contestants like zebra na twere Kwaku, I'm mon kwala na baso.
Oh my ade. Oh my ade.
You see obi St. Peter's. Who say 20 also Pesco ba? I no see Pesco ba. To America na ni age pa. Just obi ni age
21 dey so film.
Yeah. 21 na make.
21 yeah.
Na opani me mon kwala na baso ma bom ho modern pa. Because me because could be because maths and science dey machiwa dey. What the same crowd na be come here. But
say me nu na.
I also said Papa, business no pay. Papa pay. For the way.
Mass there baby. I don't know why because Kwaku mass. No.
They say logarithm mass so be a chat years
mass.
Logarithm. Ba ko
crack.
Menstruation is one.
Na she say
I dey granny.
Say my feeling mass na. Yes me say
and I say
Nada,
you don't tell the police now.
Yeah, so 3 years now they just go around.
Man, really bad. This was the capacity.
Forget.
The 50 me 50. What we is oh. It was now here. We really question no more trap to us. See no more survey.
Mass is not my thing at all.
But so be on the food though.
Yes.
I go tell you them who food and am starting in them. Come the idea me di papa sa. When you know, when I go to school course.
The previous one, the finals na quiz mistress no.
We on the bag
right you know. And now Crawford so finals no more.
I don't so Piana.
Now we so strong more you know. We are no say boys here say baby there. Bag ni protectivity. We also say police need na.
The boy your mom call upstairs impo. I say are you for no phone na kwatra upstairs. Eh ko we bag no was wrong.
We cry still no cry no. Police need na che ho pay I just say.
Ana mama no so you smart. This time I use paper bag.
Aye.
Paper bag dey fan koye hwe.
You know that just say. There because one hwe yepe.
When kwala na bomo even though points now on the team no so be brave but I left the trophy no say see I join news I walk St. Peter say I make say kwaku say when say ka kire obi ani age obi ani age am yam kwala mu timi celebrate nti yan pon a ya pe ka dia celebrate amom akwala de woni dia on sound na abebo opani de woni dia timi di I code back say school for de mom nsam sala mo ntrawo na yan all students de ya pon a I better say yeah responsibly at the amount
I boko
we be I boko actually din kwaku
all right
it
Kwame
meet you
and answer na beto aso no police ni oche wotesa no hoyi
sama mi ya bio
mami me say say ahwe no ho asem
watu ni asi presenters so far
enye presenters watu ni asi so asem but we asem bi wo a yenye bufum ni ede ka no
yeah
yen ka no boko
yeah
na yen hwe ba bi e
Mamre Kwanso sa
what I say because sabi adwuma no e nipa ho adwuma ye
na wo ye
etoda won hu se de obeye niema e de confusion bebre ba entwa yi won se ekwan yi su yi efi o de yen fan from Avenue Junction ya to Achimota traffic light bebre wo so na du anwumre a traffic e wo krompa enti police for no gina traffic light no ase enti se
tell be wakwa ya red bag
enipa eni wa on betwa kwan mu a na so red cra on mutimi signal cars ne say still monko though it is red na drivers na twem enu anwumre me ne ma sorry baba ko ye ko asori program
asa no oyoba
obema oba ha betwen me ebi enti me point na me ne eko ena ye du ayi
Achimota ho
da bi yen nu Achimota cra wu say opa Abeka Junction piece from ho no opa ho abako bi ho ena wo yese o fro abasro kakra tu babiana bank bi wo yi asese ya be commercial bank bako
sa anu say enchele na
ye du ho no na police ni gina ho
okay
ade ne so red no ena o se yenko
okay
ena cars na me di yo mo achini na o mu na akọ na me so me ko bi ena ye na yetwam na wo say tesa no police for no ho a sa tesa no junction de na
I want office
women who bank say na police no gina
office
no 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 gina
bi no kwa
ye do ho no gina wa so e na cars 2 di manim na de na so red e na sa cars 2 no eko enti minim say wa signal say as usual ye nko e na me so me di sa cars 2 me yes me ko me do fi kaka hey
watch you
enti sa time no so no na ba bia makọ no me gina eye and I'm but enti me point me catch e bi ho front on but I thought so say enko na de na wa ma 2 cars na bi enim de o enti no yenso me to aso e na me kwa enti me hu say wa uniform
ayeko anya o yari no ayeko
enti me ba manim kakra me bedu zo na mo no apenkwa total ono say hon traffic back ho na no de na so red so green
now parking no parking
there be was green so we were going okay even who say police need baby so gina honom so say na wa communicate to ono though it was green for us to go but some police ni man say me nyina pe na me kon che na me gina ti me gina pe na me catch so I know why you are stopping me na eye lady na me sure say what for but this is what actually happened and na me chemu a che no ti me chemu che no kwa she understood me no no sir okay say we dey nya idiot let me call her and no frɛ back no
asema ne nko
was no ma me nko hey ade asem ni enti e wa na me frɛ papa me frɛ yi commander yi amani na me ne kasa so no ohwe omo
no
enti me kasa na me chechem so that asem na ba no ma me ni onipa no ho ne kasa na me side ma lady no ho na no na lady ne kasa no so no problem no sign frɛ lady ni back say oni me akasa na commander so still could you believe say she vacated her post ewo the other traffic and nanti omyegina e mo nanti san ba traffic ho no obedu ho no o say hey commander say me kokro ndo ma me nko na o de me court because me mas no bo no na me du fifi na o say me ngina na say me ngina o kwamu a and I'm
akwan fifi egina ho
masa
akwan fifi egina ho
behwe si na o kose o gidi do kasa and I'm say me pese enipo mu za no me ne enti makogina ba bi na my di na me police need display say Kwame, I had a shock of my life. Hey, who dey cry there? I feel police need be police need be ma bi a o twam akọ ba bi keke. Onu ko du ohun ye na. Di ogina ha, o ti asem mu ye hwe na no hu se
asem we nya asem.
We nya asem bi a ti afi onu po obu na ni chem so. Wo dey mintwa so. Hwe. Omo ni ma mi kasa. Hey. Enti later na commander sign friend bi em say and I'm say also man ko. Masa. Police for na ne kan ya na ojai me say me nko no na police ni be man friend no so chale forget to do baby sometimes but honestly if you are frustrated already
you don't make your frustration to work
don't why because why say no be treat you be say
anya nko no yes
oh there
no be one for anything no wa kira kwa bi na kwa so be man 40 cedi no so won ye to ni come police ni ba ko no say na police ni ba ko na je ja no you also has a car neighbor say we don't know about say police ni ba ko na ja
no she message amanya we was say I am not surprised cry that girl message me patch omo ne nkasa
o tell me come close
to say police for your adwuma but I mean police for bebre we know
I have pictures of almost 1 hour
yeah bomb abaso say dey bia mo your adwuma pa police for bomb mo the police but I mean say now
me come close to 1 hour then I catch close to 1 hour
sa wa down for the nsuba
they say no down for you do up say papa
oh I do hey and no pressure pa oh David
I find you too serious on to the bus
on slow down
just na before you be play ya no mo on to the bus
oh slow down
I tell you say we be Mexico ka ya djuma what you say o ku tire o
oh no enya deze adwuma ye ne mo a ba mo ye me
ko ka say me nya nipa boni me na from Kwame Oboade opegbe da bi o hwem bia no bitima be hunu me say see ade ma late na me wasempa o ma me nko ye program ni wie o say ha ne do chi kwa so ko ka se me Oboade o be tuni na wo me ye mani
we dey say akwa we papa boy anu eduma o say na radio say bishop na bibia say na me say o kwa na police for aluta bi na o we no mo chi no no bishop
bishop agbe wisdom
bishop agbe wisdom no say oh bishop Jerry justice cry actually Jerry
cry boy actually
Jerry just scratch.
But from one and one number, I want to my wife. I hope I understand. We are doing my but I told the beer motor was a man. Kwakuna Cousin Cophobia winning quiz in the na. I just remind you, all kinds of Missy or teacher phobia on your margin, sir. From one on the Pomanum.
Kwame, MZ police, you know. Oh, yeah, I know messages about the way I send there was it. I know her, pa. That's how she is.
She has character.
I even fought with her. I fought with her before.
The reason I show before more. So
that's so crazy.
But the fact that you have the law, you have the dress, does not mean say.
Oh yeah.
I'm a police court to cry.
Yeah, best. I'm
going
to Kasa. I'm going to Kasa. We.
Well, we go to but me hear from us police ni bemu o chiro bia. Aso mu din komo. I feel bonzo yi pipa. No so no ticket amount. Fe no ko. Ghana police dey boy no. Wa jo front of us. Front na we dey wa. We aso dey bie. I'm say but to be me o se bie. Me car me come o se bie front bound.
You're going to front.
So no front to town. O man not to what 12 room. So no shame.
Okay.
When you front to
Usinesi. All right, so we are live on Facebook.
Yeah.
We also live on YouTube. YouTube. Adom FM live is on YouTube and
then YouTube no cry about
Mary.
I make a just my asemi. You say assistant pictures are winning quiz and
yeah.
Na just my cry went to me amba bi na nyama wase went to me amba. Teacher phobia wo hosu banti ana just my for ntimi amba. So obeka ya menkai parents no nya ade ne yawo. Na teacher phobia go school wa de o me say why bone kra why bone no. O said ka fa cho for tena ka mo no yi ni kwaku don stro.
So fadi agro
ko say make be free ma bansana. For your that is for your punishment. Can you imagine? Because you say hostel bi wo school na chi. We you know aspen kwala na fa. We punishment. Because you say kwala no for ma no nya sa je say. Oh. Eti eba ne sa no ye ti committee hwehwe mu. Na emu for de ya sake o mo say omo nkofie. Na mfo sa de na o ma ye na beboa. Ebeboa de che say na nipa ne ye makoma 8 nko a. But bi mu ho a unse kwala ne bi ho a out of frustration mutimi ka sembi na ncheda enni mu sa. Ti say that committee hwehwe mu yie pa. Na sa teacher for 9 de omo akasa je tum na adanse wo ho nso gitum se omo difo ba kokwa de na ye video me say video no nya bi hwe ya
ba ya na che
nta kwa na video ba mu de wo se wo ina no enye yi wo na wo gina wo ya wa yi kwa ku do nsuro omo yi nso nya nkwala de o ba kwa mi hu ye nya nkwala ne nsam kra
eye
majaika
and describe it
majaika nti say dia Isaac Amponsa Moses Asma Andrew Adu Asare and M Osai Omuna they are found guilty. Nti yesi ya jom ya mamu chade kra biem ya dismiss yo mo. Na me stress ya mamu chade ya mpa bibi a be ma ya hu sa sankrofo we na yes ade we e wo adwosoman no. Omo free ho anko school foforo because abo ohuriye moja empani tirimu da.
Ende no kre.
Kwakusa bi ka oti ase. Obe wo ya yo ma free adwusi on na mo no ko piem so ga ko pe. Obe ko no ko se ho so. Eti yenye sa chewe se kro ma kra ni database. Database ni ya o. Yam blacklist you mo and ko bisa say sign e be blacklist you because you need database bia ni kromo ase and a private school for some hwe mo ye e die mabobo so yo mo ntronto ho private secondary school for no ye yo mo die free aban mu e like so beba mo nchen muntie say di wie pa Isaac Amponsa Moses Asma Andrew Adu Asare ana M Osai omo de ye yo madi omo timi ncha de biem omo wa bi ankwala e wo kora na ma mo men wo na kwaku minim de bema teacher ni a wo kira kwala ade ode obade akwala no be ya say one de be sa ade no me kwaku ade ma kire bi da so wonim say me professional teacher
yes.
a bit training college to University of Ghana
yes
na kwala ni bi hadwen but once we teacher ni dey so you very careful
sure
me child ni na me tatam kam o Jesus so nya access impo
bi say unze enye say ode ade kire mu nko akora no
adwuma bia wo ye bia no
ba bia ayi kra yeti
ha
krofo bi ho a wan hwe yi a ode ade bi be ma ama wafa wa brese se wofa
na in ba kwa mishia na sketch say yes abiem adwuma mu ani me ma do so
di tunifo
me di tunifo ko bi o twente se wahu na
eno kra de eno kra de se o de mfa se onam keke ne ade a
but ha so de ya adult kra
ye betimi he eno kra ya adult mpo no ebia ya ko program bi ne ade bi obi betimi ya adidi wachi se ama wan hwe yi afọ na yansi fo mpe
na asama to
o na ko gina ba bia nse ni cha
sa na me teacher for no so
bi na fe una
etietu imamone fui yetu dem afori
etietu ne sofo ne ya ebia na yi a me pese ye ka ho asemi abayiwa yi a onam a asofo a otwa kontuputu omo so se won ya foforo na me
abra omo foforo no oh now the bonsa sam ka
afi ni ache no e ka sen na so Ghana so de ade ba ya sesi a krim ne ajaje awie na hwe Pentecost sofo mu a edamu a preside edamu a no ya ode yi omo ama omo na ya suspend omo na
ya omo ron ye
omo na obi anu afi ni ache no
na de we kwa dey prove
obe den ko yi wa no en oba betwam kontompo
so e better say na onye virgin
e serious o e no some the news won a chese se afi ni ache abai we se chese wonam no dwuma a wo di ano egu nyame nipa fo animu
na o problem na wrong one so for why you dey tell the cause why that side
o so no ma wrong
o gon sam na be say ni mu o
she da be ya no akwa report so wa repu no na fe animgu asese poto
o se kame adwuma
hwe se somewhere last week in so na eno so sa omode news abayiwa bi ono so ode entro kontompo sem sa eto abrante bi so se abrante na repu no am I nam so ma abrante as we speak right now or one someone S7 term afi na abayiwa na ba out say wabenu ne ho na wanu ne ho na ne wofa bi na e ka se onka se akwara ni repu
and then ka be nya ba pa dia na
and afi na ba be ka no kre life now the guy is in jail
the fe na wo
ka no kre say yen den
ni akone so ntwanto ne so
how on say the reality
ye kro investigation say ye investigation ye
I late
ade judge ti media
point nipa bonu o wiase o nipa say nipa pa
judge mo anu adia point e be den nipa
adwen pa ni adia
kwakwa adwen pa
adwen
e da for say asan from back na
that be say minim say three ya fe o mo hu say abawa no dwuma odia na say chiri on be san from back say but ye best red pa say adia bai penifo ko etena se hwe ye ma anu ti no omo suspend sa nyame nipa fo ni na omo san revisit case ni bi na omo machiri na san krofo ne be reinstatement be bamu a emram na omo ntimi nto omo
very pathetic
bad
na de ma bi kura ti mi di ntro sa kra
say na iden
obi okrompo ye kura ye nya obi asa onya ne hwe da odi nkomo ba bia waso kwa me obo adia
na so mo kan da bia
o se just so wrong
oh my former boyfriend so na me ken the Brazil ground
na no get obi get me piece chere me pa e wa boso kan say get say median tala na me na just say median me run free kokko say hey
and what you
na do ma me kwa frame here obi kwa me pem frame me nya na okay catch na manfo
conference so dey ascend
am so nim girl na me nim no so obi o say ne boyfriend say hey
don't say that
me just say e ho say from say unya sa akeka minim ni babia
kwawe
enti man na
quarter finals matches no e be koso tinyame adom a Uruguay ne France and Brazil so ne Belgium
okay
na afenyame adom a Saturday no so no Sweden and England some match in many wumpa na fe Russia and Croatia so no many wumpa because they say no two teams are me expect you more finals na Russia and England
but England so be fan ade akọ so no the football ba
and I mean some so obviously this year the omni corner the cup is coming
oh my some no the football ba
it they say no omo na me pelm and Russia for finals so I just say
Russia for omo nya den say me kwakwa for so finals
atna hoy the buga now Putin star no me ko no buga o
share started the play
atna buga and na match eh patupa no mo kwa
omo use patupa skills well pataperians ni upo
sa no me na mu sa
we dey nyame ni pa betwa bet for the last time
for the first time but we don't do that one catch so the one got for the last time
be betwa bet ko po bi na yi abaka se pamphlet
sa
we dey catch eh man for bet o
but boys ni bi so timidi o
yimudi but bet ni di o sense ni omudi no
sa
no sense ngagu ya make us out ma say so come di o man come na so fi South Africa na ba akoko ne maye ebodwuma wa ha bi ba ho so mbe yadwuma e sacrifice bi on ba je dan
on be best bra
on ma ni 2 weeks gra ade je say obi wo no bi gra so
say
just only we o gas na park o mo ne ma
o mo wi awo
tabi sa adwuma na no de ama o mo aburo mo so
oh sa
o mo dwane
just boys ni wrong to
akoko ni o kire ba no mo zo ngo sa ba bia na fo boot bi si wo
de susim de
wa fusko no no mataya ni ade ba ta kure ko ya so gas ni na ko Omadwane ko. Omadwane. Opani pakasi dia sembi atu dwame so say ehwehwe mi ye. Wo se nansen ya na ne ba awa wo no efim ya. Na kwala no ko piem wo Kwalebu Children's Ward. Na kwa nso unse na anu bi okokuma se ko fa wisi boni a. Nkrofo yi ebo na bomo. Ade ne ko share prison kakra. Enti wako prison aba. Ana wasa ko Kwalebu Children's Ward. Na kwa kase kire se ode toto ho a prison na okoda ya no ne Children's Ward no difference bia nim. Kwalebu Children's Ward yi me makọ hoda na prison na me nkọ hoda nti kwa kase ka me hu se na me comparison ba no de wakọ ni mienu nyina da binya ya opani wakọ hoda wakọ Children's Ward hoda o makọ hoda o ye na prison unim se na hote da bi dey old child da ho ye o de ka no kore
me say ya no de kan enye to the standard here, but enye to prison so.
Yeah, I mean, no, maybe just comparison we can all year, but on to me because it's
but it doesn't change the fact say hono enye conducive for children. And it doesn't change the fact say the place needs a renovation. What you say? It doesn't change the fact say hono nye. That's what we want on about that from 21st century. Ghana beyond aid.
But me amunda was
say Ghana beyond bed. Ghana beyond bed. I from one from it wey dem put in from pension. Kwa wani abrepa. I say how you crack the corner the banana film. Don't go see ho. Opanu na waba say kakakra kan. Yeah, can you sir?
They when work can you?
Just no for say me a. I dey hear you pa. Enya unku.
Ede ma video wa gidi you. Say poku ya when they send me message. Also no cry na company. So now so send me message. Obeni am enya na twitwa me aka.
We cry say otwitwa yen.
We cry otwitwa e cry you know say abai why nkuta den ya twese still em say police for no we bi a omodo to so a em say nationwide e twese na I say abo wanted. Oye no so so commander say nya nkra o de me beto say me refidi no boss ayi no de me beto so hey just again no I feel back on camp no police ni back no oh how sana boy back on go oh how was I me de beto so
na unim de ba me bufu me pa me ye cause na officer na me say ukra ye me taste e ho no kra
yi kware oni for you jiga say o say o taste
ukra ye me taste was man o say dia ben when I taste fio ko no a I say ye ko office oh kwaku
I say oh
abani wo so ma ye o sa da wa
oh
ya chi wa wa bre
an fa ni ko kuma say
o so me dey chi dey
sankare ho
o ba speed ya na
David o chi mi ano so ma chi wa ha same thing pena na no boa ono so ba sa an se mana o ma
say man e stop me man say no mati ase ama o man e stop
no man se man o time you so dura ya na o ma se mo din
but so me chance yes no
o ka say chi
o say time bi o wa
nti u chire mu aye dey and the crown was say mo say
but just menstrual pains can one as you wear any menstrual pains can
boy ya was say mo say
kani che adwuma sa abo
no mate say so mo say o mo so ntimi ni nya adwuma bi mu
and I'm for class of house
kani che
ezida yanum na ko wase
how is that possible can it yan pam no
say mo e ka mo nko anka okoi na nko ma bi mu
sports person is sex can it nko na e coach e wo groom akra ya mfa no coach it ends there.
Never say never.
For House of Folk to go back to Keniti.
Never say never.
What are you talking about? You new coach.
Oh, yeah, coaches are or my benny.
And if I'm not caught so you see me coach your way.
You know, I'm on Facebook. I'm going to chat to you. How do you coach Bagana and Yabeka? A Nancy hotel. Hey,
Monfano.
Nancy hotel.
Got to come coach no one.
Nancy hotel, which I want to know that.
And as a hotel.
And your honor of you are.
Honor day, Moncovo cigar.
The how the only say the tema me who say no announce we really has for watching because how no coach I want to number 2 here they don't know who say how I'm referee for that
kwa kwa for paper one o kan chia no
kwa no top no so
kwa ku say o be kan kwa ku say o be kan chia ma men chia Charity Ben
asa no am chia no
na on right now so me chia no ne ma me you know next week waba
okay all right
I just so be sense ya be ko
yo oye ya de be city nyame adom o kira de commentary no say mdi kan ya de be brem ni na wa ya ti na atiefo ahye no so sa just a minute after 5 106.3 FM your fast that case my proud sponsor mo boy media Ayarigated sport bro Sikazing Black Tonic Patro way eye mojadru kama